Hey everyone, today, we're taking a first look at the 2025 Chevrolet Impala SS, a legendary nameplate making a bold comeback. This full-size performance sedan is packed with power, luxury, and cutting-edge tech. Is this the best Impala SS ever? Let's dive in. The 2025 Impala SS is all about aggressive styling. A wide front grille, LED headlights, and sculpted body lines give it a sporty yet sophisticated look. The blackout accents and 20-inch alloy wheels add to its bold presence. At the back, quad exhaust tips and a sleek taillight design complete its muscular stance. Performance. Under the hood, the Impala SS packs a 6.2L V8 engine, producing around 455 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. It comes with a 10-speed automatic transmission, delivering smooth yet powerful acceleration. A sport-tuned suspension, Brembo brakes, and optional all-wheel drive make it a true performer. Expect a 0 to 60 mph time under 5 seconds. Interior. Step inside, and you'll find a blend of luxury and technology. Premium leather seats, a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, and a 15-inch infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto make for a high-tech experience. Ambient lighting, a Bose premium audio system, and a spacious cabin ensure comfort for all passengers. Safety features. Chevy equips the 2025 Impala SS with top-tier safety tech. Features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The 360-degree camera system and parking sensors add extra confidence while driving. Price. Pricing starts around $45,000 for the base SS trim, with fully loaded models reaching $55,000 plus. Considering its performance and features, it's a strong competitor in the full-size sedan segment. Outro. The 2025 Chevrolet Impala SS brings back an icon with modern power, luxury, and tech. Is this the sedan we've been waiting for? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car reviews. See you in the next one.